Hi all, it's Judy. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back to see us again, welcome back. Today we have an unboxing of FabFitFun. I know you've probably seen a dozen of these already. This is the Fall 2018 box. And I am uber excited. I have seen, and I got to pick some of the items, so I know most of the items that are in here, but it's still exciting to open a box and see what's in it. So join me in looking to see what we got Fall 2018 FabFitFun. I did already break the seal on the box, so it is open. Let's see. Christina Applegate is on the magazine for this cover. She is so pretty. Anyways, and then we have some coupons. And for a Luna bar. Unfortunately, I can't have most Luna bars because most of them contain nuts. But there are lots of other people in this house that will enjoy them. Okay, let's see. Breaking open the seal. Oh my. Can you see all the goodies that are in here? Wow, I don't even know where to start. We'll start with the Luna bar. This is a cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. Like I said, I can't eat this, but there are lots of people in our house that can. We'll let you know what they think of that. It looks really good. I wish, for those who are allergic to nuts, you know, you wish that you could have some of these goodies. And that just looks really good. I used to love cashews. I wasn't born with this allergy. This is something that has come upon me as I've gotten older. Okay, let's go here first. This is from Cobra wireless earbuds. Is it focusing in it? And these were one of the choices. I can't remember exactly what the choice was, but I do remember, oh, I saw the earbuds. But these are really, really nice. Charging time, 2 hours. Playtime, 4 hours. Talk time, 4.5 hours. And standby is 90. And it's not the ones you just put in your ear that, you know, you can lose really quickly. It does have the cord that goes around your neck or in back. These are really nice. Cobra earbuds. Let's see what else is in here. So far, oh, I can't wait to try these. Glam Glow Bubble Sheet. Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. And there's 2 of them. Most of you know I have 2 daughters. I actually have 2 daughters and a goddaughter, but I have 2 daughters that either live in the house or in her apartment close by. And we're probably going to fight over these since there's only 2 of them and there's 3 of us. But I saw Glam Glow when I was in the PX the other weekend and I really, really wanted to try it. And then I saw the price tag, so it was a little intimidating. And I know that in the PX you often get things less expensive than you do in other retail. So I am really excited. So you got not 1 but 2, the bubble sheets, the Glam Glow. These are ones that when you put on your face they bubble up. Oh, this is going to be great. Can't wait to try these out. Let's see. Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Let's open this up and see what it smells like. I always have to smell everything. It has a very woodsy kind of natural fragrance. I thought when it said there was notes of alpine rose that it would be very feminine, but this almost seems like it wouldn't be bad for men either. I'm going to have to put that in the shower and see what my husband thinks of that, 'cause that smells really, really good. It's the Italian collection. Here is what I was looking for. Where I love bath items. I got into making soap because I would probably spend my whole paycheck in stores like Bath and Body Works. And I can't remember what the other one was. I would spend all sorts of money in there. And this is Yoga Detox Bath. Post-practice relaxing soak ritual. Made with, oh, I probably shouldn't even go there, Mediterranean sea salt and goji berry extract for active minds and body. This is going to be nice. I love taking baths. I'm not sure I used that yoga. I can't wait to try that out. That's going to be good. Okay. There's so much in here. Wow, I'm just so excited to see all this. Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towels. Oh, these are like tea towels. We go through a lot of towels in this house. A lot of towels. There is 3 girls and my husband. Well, 2 girls, myself, and my husband. 3 dogs, 3 cats. We are always going through kitchen towels. These are really, really nice. They're gray and white and can hang up. So they go with just about any decor that there is. Isn't that nice? I want to redo my whole kitchen in black, white, and red, and that would go perfect. And they're textured. They're not just the flat kind. They're actually textured, so that is really nice. Put those to good use. I haven't come across one item that I actually wouldn't use. All of them will be of good use. And the Beauty Blender. I discovered Beauty Blenders probably this year. I had always been using a brush, and I still do use a brush a lot, but I've started to use these Beauty Blenders. And this is the original Beauty Blender. The original Beauty Blender, makeup's best friend. And if you haven't used a Beauty Blender yet, try one. Just try. You will love the way that it puts your makeup on your face. It makes it really even and easy, if makeup can ever be described as easy. I've always been one of those that struggle with putting on makeup, and this will really help. It's a Beauty Blender. I don't know. It's like there's 3 items left. This is the Grown Alchemist Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser Olive Leaf Plant-to-Go Extract. I love the cleansers that they're coming out with now. Used to be, back in the day, you know, we had Noxzema, and I do remember my mother using Noxzema. And there wasn't a whole lot of choice for the skin types, for the ingredients. This is free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens. No lauryl sulfates, no petroleum chemicals, no artificial fragrance, no nitrosamine releasers, no DEA, no TEA, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, and no glycols. And it's got like the metal tube. That's kind of cool. Like when you get hair color, obviously I use hair color, but when you get hair color and you have to pop the top open, that's what this has. Whoa, that comes right out. Let's see what this smells like. Right now I'm using a rose cleanser with, I can't even remember what it has in it, but it smells absolutely wonderful. Oh, that smells, I got some on the cat one night. That smells really, really good. Again, this is the Grown Alchemist. I love the labeling on it too. It's just so simplistic and just, I don't know, it appeals to me. I bet you it appeals to a lot of people. Now there are 2 more items in here. Not sure this is Crown Pro for Pros. Oh, Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. Okay. So you get a Beauty Blender and brushes. There's some things that you do need brushes for, like putting on. Oh, wow. These are so nice. And it comes in their own case. there is 6 of them in all different sizes, and it comes in its own little snap case. This is crown on the front. Wow. This is really nice. I like this. I don't travel a whole lot. I do on occasion. It comes and goes in spurts. So this will be really nice because you hate to just throw the brushes in your makeup bag because that just doesn't work. Let's just be honest about that. But this will be nice. Keep these all in here and they all, you know, it's a set. They all match. I'm not a teenager or 20-something anymore. I kind of like things to go together and have sets. I suppose there are a lot of teenagers and 20-somethings that do, but you know what I mean. And the last item, Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. This one you got a choice of a teapot. Okay, let's try that again. This one you got a choice of a teapot or a French press. Let's be honest, I'm a coffee addict. I have downstairs 1, 2, 3, 4 French press that I can definitely say that I know where they are, and there's probably more. So I have a lot of French press. So I saw this teapot, and I do like tea as well. I've been trying to drink more tea, you know, especially iced tea, rather than soda. I do live in the South, but I do not drink Southern iced tea. That is a whole different story. I was born and raised in Pennsylvania and upstate New York. So I like my tea unsweetened. And it was very much a culture shock to have sweet tea here in the South. I have gotten more used to it. I don't think that was correct English, but I still like to have tea, and I like the different flavors of tea. This is so pretty. And it's not a great big huge teapot. It's just like an inch, and it has where you put the loose leaf tea right in and then pour the water. Oh, that is so cool. Take this off. Don't want to drop anything here. That is so pretty. So you would put your loose leaf tea in here and put it in here, pour your hot water and then let it steep, and then you could just, it has a handle, or you could just take it out and then you could serve it. In my case, I'd pour it over ice. It's still up in the upper 90s here. Isn't that pretty? It's just, and I love the little flowers on it. Wow, now this is the first month or the first season that I've gotten the FabFitFun box in a while. I got it about a year ago, and then I didn't get any more. But I saw everybody opening theirs for the summer, and I'm like, wow, I kind of missed that. Let me get another box. So I got the fall box, and I have to say wow, I'm truly impressed. There's a lot of really neat stuff. I don't think there is one thing in here that I will not put to good use, or a member of my family, the Luna bar being the exception. And I just love this teapot. Absolutely adore this teapot. I think that's individual size, and that is just so cute. Okay, the box itself is $49.99. No, was it? Yes. And then you can get, if you use somebody's code, I'll post my code below, you get $10 off, so it's $39.99. In here they have the price, the retail price of what everything was. Now this is the retail price. I've always shopped the sales. But they say the total value is $285.97 to $375.94 for all the items you could get in the box. So you're paying $50 for the box if you pay the highest. And you're guaranteed to get at least $285.97. Now, like I said, there was choices. For the brush set, I could have gotten the brush set or a tote. I chose the brush set. The brush set is worth $75. Not bad. It's a very nice brush set. I could have chosen the teapot or the French press. I chose the teapot. The teapot was $26. The earbuds you had a choice between the earbuds and umbrella. Frankly, it doesn't rain enough in Texas for me to have yet another umbrella. Unfortunately, we are getting rain this week, but I chose the earbuds instead. The earbuds were a $40 value. Okay. Because I went ahead and got the annual plan, I also got to choose the cleanser, which was $67. Good cleanser does cost a lot. Not that that's a lot. I've seen them a lot more expensive, but it's cheaper than how much ever Noxzema. Do they even make Noxzema anymore? I honestly don't know. But $67 for this. And then the last one was the last choice was the Yoga Detox Bath, and you had a choice between this, lipstick duo, or an eye cream. This was $39.95. So if I totaled up everything that I personally received in my box that I chose, it was $322.94. Now, like I said, I do like to shop on sale. You've seen my thrift store hauls. I like a good bargain. So I don't think paying $50 for all of this stuff is such a bad deal. Now, no, you don't get to, I want, this kind of item, or I want this kind of item. You do get some choices, but you don't, you're not just randomly going off the shelves and picking what you want. You're getting to try items that you normally wouldn't try, maybe. They're getting to introduce you to new products. And I think it's a great deal. So I am really happy. I love the little teapot. That has to be like my favorite item in this whole thing, is this teapot. I love that I can use my loose leaf tea in it. So I think that is definitely going to be well used and well loved in our house. So that's it for FabFitFun for fall of 2018. What did you see that you liked? Are you going to get the FabFitFun box for this season, or even for next season will be winter? It comes out 4 times a year. That's fall, winter, spring, and summer. You don't have to do a yearly membership. You can do it by the month. You save a little bit. I don't remember how much by doing the annual plan. I will post my link below and you will get $10 off. I definitely recommend it. This has been a really great box. FabFitFun, thumbs up. You're doing a great job, and I hope everybody enjoys it and still has time to sign up for it. I haven't seen anything that they are sold out. So if you do get an email saying sign up for FabFitFun, go for it. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to hear your comments on what you thought, what your favorite item was, and if you're going to subscribe or not, or just try it out for 1 month and see what you think. I'd love to hear. Until next time, see you later. Bye.